Hi, this is Lisa. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to unbox this Makartt nail extension gel kit. It's the quick gel in the squeeze tubes, and I've never used this before. I'm sure many of you probably have seen it, but I've always just used gel in the pot. So this is new for me, so I decided that I want to pick some up and see what it's all about. So I'm just going to take it out of the box here, take a look. Okay, so first of all, it comes with the 100/180 nail file, which is really nice. Also comes with their gel brush, the round oval. It's really pretty. It has black diamonds inside. Black is my favorite color, so I like that. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. So it comes with forms as well, the paper forms. It has their instruction book, application, how to remove, all that good stuff. Comes with a top coat and a base coat as well. Okay, so it comes with Misty Rose, 30 milliliter. Pretty decent size. Also the color Watermelon. Comes with pink, rose, blush, and a clear. It's always good to have a clear. Okay, I'm gonna do quick swatching and we're gonna see what these colors are all about. So first I'm gonna start off with the rose. Just gonna do it on the back of this paper here. And it has a precision tip, which I was really happy about. I've never, like I said, worked with anything but a brush. Okay. I'll zoom in for this. That is the color Rose. That's pretty. And I'm gonna do blush. These really do come out skinny. Now we have Misty Rose. Okay. These are all nice so far. Then we have Watermelon. And we have pink. And then lastly, we have clear. Okay. Now I'm just gonna cure these and see what they look like after they're cured. Okay, this is what they look like all cured. Clear stayed really clear. Some really pretty colors. I will do a video using these. So again, it comes with 8mm top coat, 8mm base coat. It's pretty oval brush for the gel. It comes with its 100/180 nail file, as well as a good amount of forms and 6 colors of 30ml. All right, so thank you for watching. We'll be doing a set using these, so make sure you check that out. And thank you again, and please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.